What if I told you that nearly 80% of chronic health issues share the same root cause? It's something called insulin resistance. Simply put, most of the junk we eat spikes our insulin, and over time, our bodies stop responding to it correctly. But what if you could eat your way back to health? Today, I'm sharing the 7 healthiest foods on the planet that do the exact opposite. These foods keep your insulin low, your energy high, and your body thriving. Let's dive in. Point 1. Raw sauerkraut. But wait, it has to be raw? Most store-bought sauerkraut is pasteurized, which uses heat that kills the good microbes your gut needs. Raw sauerkraut is actually a more powerful probiotic than yogurt or kefir. Just 1 cup provides 10 times the vitamin C your body needs for the day. It also contains vitamin U, a rare compound that helps heal ulcers and inflammation in your digestive tract. Try adding just half a cup to your lunch. Point 2. Arugula. Most people reach for iceberg or romaine, but arugula is the real heavy lifter for your heart. It's packed with nitric oxide, a natural pipe opener for your arteries. It helps lower blood pressure and improves circulation throughout your entire body. Plus, it's a cruciferous vegetable, which means it has powerful anti-cancer properties. Pro tip: drizzle it with extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for a cheesy, dairy-free flavor. Point 3. Wild-caught salmon. Notice I said wild-caught. Farmed fish often contains antibiotics and artificial dyes. Salmon is a goldmine for omega-3s, specifically DHA for your brain and EPA for inflammation. It's one of the best ways to fight itis, like arthritis or tendinitis, from the inside out. Point 4. Cod liver. If you really want to level up, try cod liver. It has a texture similar to savory pudding and contains even more omega-3s than salmon. It's fantastic for your heart and nervous system. Just a heads up, don't drink the oil in the can. It might be a bit too much for your gallbladder to handle all at once. 5. Grass-fed hamburger. This one might surprise you. High-quality, grass-fed beef is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on earth, loaded with B vitamins, zinc, and iron. I recommend an 80/20 fat-to-protein ratio. Pure lean protein can actually spike your insulin more than protein with natural fats. Fat is your friend here. It slows down digestion and helps you absorb those nutrients better. Just skip the bun. 6. Brazil nuts. This is a tiny pill provided by nature. You only need 1 or 2 a day. Don't overdo it. These nuts are the world's best source of selenium, the secret ingredient for your thyroid and immune system. It helps your body fight off viruses and even protects your hair from falling out. It's basically a command center for your immune cells. Point 7. Extra virgin olive oil. The real stuff should have a slight tickle or peppery bite in the back of your throat. That's the antioxidants working. Olive oil is incredibly anti-inflammatory and supports your mitochondria, the energy factories in your cells. It also helps prevent blood clots, which is the leading cause of most heart attacks. The 7-day challenge. Most people are eating the exact opposite of this list every day. But I have a challenge for you. Try incorporating these 7 foods for just 1 week. See how your energy levels change. See how your brain feels. I'm 60 years old, and I feel better today than I did when I was 30, and these foods are the reason why. If you're ready to start, let me know in the comments. Which of these 7 is your favorite? Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.